Hi guys, this is Gordon Attard for another video tutorial about PeopleString. Today I'm gonna tell you how to connect your Facebook account to PeopleString. So what I need you to do first is to sign in your PeopleString. Okay. So I put my username and password. Login. It should be in a minute be on my homepage, my PeopleString homepage. And to connect your Facebook, it's pretty simple. What you need to do is on the left hand side of your screen, just below your the Google Ads, you'll see Facebook. Okay, what you need to do is to click on connect, then of course you enter your details, your email and your password of Facebook, and you just click connect. And what happens is that your Facebook will be connected with your PeopleString. And to do that, they'll give you 10, I think it's 10, yeah, 10 cents to do that. Pretty easy, no? So that's how to connect your Facebook on PeopleString. This was a short video tutorial. I'm Gordon Attard. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next video. Thank you.